Hi everyone, I'm the Fairy GothMother. As you know, Halloween is right around the corner! Yay! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this creepy cute blood drip choker. Let's take a look at what we'll need. An A4 sheet of leather, an A4 sheet of paper, extension chain, jump rings, a lobster clasp, and some ribbon ends. Okay, let's get started. First, take your A4 sheet of paper and fold it twice to create a thin strip. Trace around the ribbon ends to make sure that you leave enough room to attach them later. To create the drip effect, draw some random circles along the paper and join them together with a curvy line. Once you're happy with your template, cut it out and trace it onto the back of your leather. Slowly and carefully cut out the leather. Now it's time to attach the ribbon ends. Now just add the chain and the lobster clasps and you're pretty much done. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I really hope you'll like and subscribe because it means so much to me. Don't forget to check out the links below for more of my work. I hope to see you all soon. Bye!